Hello guys, this is my ZMR 250, the powercube. Everything is all hooked up. Have the devo RX703a with the data bus connection. So my problem seems to be that I can't get the motors to arm, and everything else seems to be reading correctly. Not really sure what is going on here. All the motors are spinning in the correct direction. My Devo 7. So I'll hook it up. Everything seems to be hooked up in clean flight correctly. Let's get this hooked up. So see the light blinking? Now it's solid. So it connected. I did the ID fix and ran the thing, and the ID connected to it. I did the whole programming for this receiver to this transmitter. Go in here. So it's set up PPM style. I would do S-Bus, but when I hook up to S-Bus, RX serial, the transmitter doesn't even read at all. I hooked up to S-Bus over here, and it doesn't really make a difference if I'm on Spectrum or S-Bus or any of these. I selected all of these and program it, save and reboot on all of these, and nothing seems to change. Fail safe. I never changed any of that. So here's the receiver. Everything. Throttle can be changed. Yaw is all fine. The roll, everything's reading correctly. Pitch, roll. So as soon as and I try to arm the motor by going on the throttle down and to the right, nothing happens. Or even down to the left, that blue light doesn't go red. Nothing gets armed. So I'm not really sure. I know the motors are hooked up correctly. I tried doing arm on like UX2, this is UX2, and that never changed. So I just left it alone. I turned it off. Adjustments, I never really mess with anything. Servos, I never mess with anything on there. I don't have GPS. So on motors, I can turn on the motors. Everything turns on fine. See the motors? They all turn in the correct direction. There was 2 motors that were turning in the wrong direction, so I just had to flip the wires, and that was it. But everything seems to be fine and running fine. So I'm not really sure. So if you guys could maybe help me out by figuring out how to arm this. I don't know if it's the Devo 7, if that's the problem, or what it is. I'm not really sure. So if you guys could help me out, that would be awesome, so I can get this thing up and running. Thank you guys.